The odor of many fruits are due to esters. So ethyl butanoate is the odor of pineapple. Which of the following represents ethyl butanoate? So if we are looking at an ester, we are looking at this general formula. And so what we have is a carboxylic acid derivative. And so it is a derivative where we essentially replace the hydrogen on the carboxylic acid with an R group. So the way that we name an ester is we name that R group first. So you name the R group, and then you add the root name of the acid. So you take the name of the acid, you drop the oic acid, and replace that with O8. Right, so you name the R group first, and then you're basically naming the carboxylate. So what it's being named as is this is telling us this is the ethyl ester of benzoic acid. So butanoate tells you about this portion, and the ethyl tells you about that R prime. So it means that you have a 4-carbon atom chain, and that would have been the carboxylic acid. So if this was OH, that would be butanoic acid. Since it's an ester, so it would be butanoate, and that means we have an ethyl group attached to that oxygen. And so if we take a look at the options, that is A. Okay, so that was a relatively fast one to solve, but let's go ahead and practice, and we'll answer what the other ones are called as well. So if we look at B, we see our R group is a methyl. So this is methyl, and then if we count our carboxylic acid, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, just like the first one. So this is methyl butanoate. And if we look at C, we see our R group is a propyl chain, 1, 2, 3, so this is propyl. And our carboxylic acid looks like, again, a 4-carbon atom chain, but we'll verify 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is propyl butanoate. And finally, here in this last one, the R group is ethyl. And it is a 2-carbon atom carboxylic acid. So this is ethyl ethanoate. Okay, and so that is the substitutive name. Ethanoate, you don't often see that. It's often called by the common name, which is acetate. So that's a good one to be aware of.